Hello, I'm currently working on prepare assets for the asset management. The goal of this part is to prepare assets for your scene or to put your object directly in the asset management, or for your scene normally if you want to work, to create assets, etc. etc. So you will see this is really simple. So I have three options: bbox, empty, and selection. On each you can give a name or not. We will start with the bbox. For example, if I select this and I select bottom and prepare asset, that will create a bbox object, and the origin will be at the bottom. As you can see, this is this. If I choose center object, poof, that will center the object directly at the center of my scene. You can, for example, on this one, use rotation and rotate the object if the object still have his rotation, his transform, as you can see. And I will click, and boom, I will have this result. So that's work with the active object. If I select this, that will not work, because this one is still vertically, no rotation. And if I select this one, that should work. As you can see, that's work. What else? If you use rotation, you can use this, and for example, I will do this. You will have this result, and you can place your object like this. Like this. Okay. You can also put the if I want, for example, the pivot here, I put the cursor here, I select cursor, I will center the object. As you can see, where was the cursor? You can center the object from the center of the selection, like this. Poof, at the center of the selection. Okay, so you can name it if you want. I will not do this, I will do this. And as you can see, I have this one. If I keep the same name and start with another selection, you will have the same name with .1.001. Okay. You can remove this, and this is this. This is it for the bbox. As you can see, this is simple, and you can select everything you want. That works even with modifiers, for example. Like this. If I select this, I will make at the bottom, for example. Poof. Here, as you can see, this is at the bottom. And at the cursor, if I want, etc, etc. So this is really useful. That's it for the bbox, if I recall. Yes. Let's see the empty. Donc same for the empty. You can you don't create a bbox, you create an empty. For example, I will select this, I will choose the empty scale, and I will put it on the cursor, and my empty will be here. If I click on prepare asset, poof, my empty is here, with the name empty. I will undo. This, and if I make on selection, that will be on my selection, as you can see. And if I make at the center, that will be at the center of my scene. Because personally I work always at the center. If I make at the center, that will be at the center. If you have, for example, I will make Shift C, an object here, like this. Your object is like this, and you choose at the center. You will create your empty with the name, with the scale at the center of the scene. Here. If you have your object here, you select this one, choose the cursor, and that's it. You have your object. You can choose by the selection. As you can see, the empty here is here, etc., etc. The empty scale, as you can see here, depending on the scale of your scene. Hop. This is bigger, this is smaller. Yep. Yep. I have a little issue with this one. 5 works, and my 6 doesn't work. I will fix that. That's it for the empty. This is simple. Place your empty with the cursor or the selection or the center of the scene. Choose the scale, and you can also, of course, I will choose 2. I will choose on the selection, place the object at the center of the scene. That works with several objects, of course. And this is nice. Like this, you just have to click here. I will select this one, for example. Okay. Hop. Clac, 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 clac. Not image. Yep. Yes, it's an empty. I will see this later. What else? Selection. Selection is for the selection. You can, I will remove all of this. For example, I will select this one, I will click on Prepare Asset, and as you can see, I have my object with the other object inside. Yep. I will undo this. You can place the origin on the cursor. For example, if I want my cursor, my origin here, I will select this, origin to cursor, and I have my origin to cursor. I can choose center object. This is at the center of my object. And I can choose prepare for booleans. And this one will have a new name, and will be the parent of this one, and this one will be in wire. For what? You will see this. I will keep this one here. I have my result here. If I add a cube, I can move this one. I will remove the scale, the snap. Up. And that's it. As you can see, this is really nice. What else? You can directly create your asset, give it a name, choose origin to cursor. I have to place my cursor directly where I want. Up. And I just have to click prepare asset, and that's it. If I don't want to make the origin to cursor, the origin will be on my selection. And I click, and that's it, because the selection, the pivot is here, and that's it. So as you can see, with this prepare asset, you can prepare all your assets. You can have a different type of asset. You can use an empty, you can use a bbox, you can use your selection like this one to make a boolean object for SpeedFlow and Carver, etc. And this is really nice, and that will be in the asset management at the next update. I'm thinking about add it to the SpeedFlow companion. So to this one, I will remove, not remove, I will restart the SpeedFlow companion to make something really to work with everything, not only SpeedFlow. I will add some tools like this one. This is really useful, I think, and I will use it personally, not only for the asset management, but also for SpeedFlow, etc. So that's it. I hope you like this next update, and see you later.